If your Google Play Store isn't working, follow me in this tutorial. I'm going to help you solve that. So it's very much simple. All you need to do is move to your settings, any mobile phone you're using. So in this case, I'm using an LG. So I move to my settings here. I need to navigate to the apps on my mobile phone. So you can see apps and notification here. You can find that on Samsung and other phones too. So I launch the apps here. So now I'm going to make some edits on my Google Play Store and my Google Play services. So now I scroll to the G column here, and you can see I have my Play Store and I have my Play services here. So I launch my Play Store here. So on here, I move to my storage here. So on here, I clear my cache, I clear my data. So clearing your cache, you're going to clear everything, but then for your data, you're going to sign out from your account. So I tap on that to clear it. And then for the data, just like I was saying, they're going to sign you out of everything in the settings. So now let's come back here, and now let's move to our Play services. It's very much important. Even if you have your Play Store open and you don't have Play services, you need to download Play services before it's going to work. So now let's launch that here. Good. And here we do the same thing to our storage once again. And then we clear the cache, and then we are done here for this side. So if this doesn't work, let me open my Play Store to see whether it's going to work. Let me come back and let me open it and see. Good, it's working now. So if this doesn't work, it means you need to download Google Play services. So it's either you try downloading it from a third-party site, which I don't really recommend because you can download a malware from these party sites. But then if you think it's trusted, you can download it. After downloading Play services, it should work. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly let me know. So that's it. Peace.